your boy Dwayne. No, it's your boy Funny Mike.
It's your girl Sharae, and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. How you doing today? Today we trying this nature cereal. I got the coconut water, and I only put a little bit in the bowls because I don't know how this is gonna taste.
It's your boy Dwayne and Carter. Wait, my real name actually DJ.
Boy.
Get up. Oh, you said that I can have some.
I'm about to have some.
I'm tasting those ones. Oh shoot! Shoot! What are you doing, girl? What are you doing?
This is the nature cereal. You gotta put the coconut water in there.
I don't care about that banger.
Okay, let's try it.
Okay.
Nature cereal. Do you like it? Did you try it?
Yeah.
Try it. This is nasty.
I'm trying to win for nature cereal. Oh, but this one looks heavy and ugly.
You gonna try it again?
No, I'm trying all of it. Okay. Guys, that was so nasty. I do not want to eat that. Well, I do want to eat it because it tastes funny and weird. And it's nasty. I do eat right. You need to hurry. Hey y'all, it's your boy from Mike and Carter. Hey y'all, wicked is spilled. Hey y'all, Hey y'all, I'm 5 years old. Carter 2 years old. So you got 2 years old shirt. I got a 5 years old shirt. See?
Yeah, boy.
Carter taking this one. I'm taking that one.
Excuse me. Okay, y'all. So we tasting it with the with some orange juice.
Yes, some Sunny D juice.
Cause we don't have any pineapple juice.
Nope. No pineapple juice.
Yeah, this tastes way better. It's so funny.
I feel like to put it out.
What?
I feel like spitting this out.
Stop it. Why?
Cause I feel like it's nasty.
You don't like it with the juice?
I do like it with juice. I was thinking it's nasty. Guys, strawberries are healthy, so you need to try some. Do you want to try some of mine? Try it.
Nobody want to try that.
Try. Hey,
Hey y'all. This was nasty. But that juice really made a difference.
Oh shoot! I
give Nature cereal a 1 out of 10. What's your rating?
Mom.
How many out of 10? How many stars would you give?
This one?
No, the other one.
That one? 0.
What about you, Carter?
He gave that, maybe he gave that one 1 million. I gave this one 1 million.
The one with the juice?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because it's sweet.
And it's good.
Okay. Cut the cameras.
How about we just wait till I'm done? We wait until I'm done, period.
Oh, that's on period. Where's mine? I thought I was tasting it.
Oh, kinda.
That's mine?
Yeah. I didn't put the juice though. I mean the water. Man,
Put the water and taste it.
You like it?
That water, something else. I don't see how people can drink that just straight from the bottle.
Some people drink it straight from the coconut.
You need to taste all of that.
Okay, y'all. So this is the end of the video.
Peace.
That was nasty. What you got to say for the outro?
Me?
Yeah.
God blessings for this nasty stuff. And I'm a rock star and my name is Hard Rock.
Your name is Hard Rock.
That's my rock star name.
Okay. Bye, y'all.
Bye bye. Peace. Juice's peace. Juice's peace is Hard Rock.